Hey friends, my name is Nikhil. I take care of innovation practices for ZingHR. We are a leading HCM consulting firm with having more than 8.5 lakh employee records. And I am here to tell you about LMS. What is LMS? LMS is a learning management system. So all the training needs of the organization coming from anywhere, competencies, strategy, department, individual needs, manager needs are collated as learning needs of the organization. So our mission is to change the culture of the organization and make it more of a learning culture. Zing LMS is a futuristic tool that uses blended learning as an approach to get your learning ability to the next level. How do we do that? We have built-in ILT programs, we have built-in ILT means instructor-led trainings, so we support classroom programs, we support e-learning, we support tin cans, COM, XAPI, all different level of content which are supported by all the modern LMSs. On top of it, we give you a very powerful BI dashboard that you can use to visualize the needs and visualize the trainings that you're doing. On top of it, we have tools like Kirkpatrick and Phillips built-in system to calculate the ROI and the needs for all the trainings that we are doing in the organization. There is no tool in the market which is providing ROI in learning. So we use Phillips and we use Kirkpatrick model to get the ROI on training. How are the needs flowing in? The needs are going to flow from various factors of the organization. One of the factors is strategy. What is the organization strategy? First thing that we do, we help you strategize. We help you know that how the learning strategy should be for the organization. Then it comes to the departments. Departments go and analyze all the needs. From departments, it flows down to managers. From managers, so rather than using a top-down approach, our LMS, this is the traditional approach in most of companies. So rather than using top-down approach, we use bottoms-up approach. So we give each and every learner, each and every person who is trying to be part of the learning process, ability to learn by themselves. Our powerful micro-learning capability, our powerful content authoring tools, our powerful set of customizations, ease of use, everything can help to take your organization's learning culture to the next level. So Zing Learn is an innovative tool which works on power of micro-learning. We have got inbuilt trainer dashboard on mobile. The entire training administration, right from taking photographs, taking attendance, managing the entire class, everything can be done using mobile app itself. The learner has complete access to his training calendar, to his courses, to set off all the things that he has to do with respect to LMS on mobile app itself. So we believe that we are mobile first. So we started from web, then we moved to cloud, then we moved to mobile, and now from mobile first, we are adopting culture of bot first. So with our innovative bots, we are also getting learning on bots. So using Google Assistant and Alexa, we are also saying that we will be able to transform the learning process in such a way, and use of artificial intelligence and augmented reality is going to take your learning journey to the next level. So what is your role as HRD department of the organization? So what do you do to make sure that your organization becomes a learning organization? That too from a bottom-up approach and not from a top-down approach. You cannot impose learning on people. You cannot ask people to learn. So how do you create that culture? How do you create that ability in your organization that everybody is willing to learn? So we have got inbuilt gamification so that you can also improve engagement. You can also tell people that, okay, this is how you should do. So we have got leaderboards. With leaderboards, we have receiver board that is there in all the products. We also have something called as giver board. So person who is giving more and more rewards, who is giving more recognition, is identified as the top giver. As soon as you complete your learning, you start your learning journey, there are badges which are awarded to you. So everything in the system is working on the configuration basis. So there is nothing in the system where you have to go on the back end and write any script. Everything is there available as part of front end, and everything can be configured. So when we talk of learning, so when we talk of learning culture of the organizations, so how do you make sure that employees are learning? You give them badges, you reward them, you link it to their payroll, you link it to their performance plans, you link it to their IDPs. So all these different needs that we've been talking of from the time we started this is going to flow back as demand. And when you plan that, you execute that. After you plan that, you execute that. So once you execute, the execution is possible in form of blended learning. You can do instructor-led trainings and you can do e-learning. With our inbuilt content authoring tool that lets you create interactive content on the fly, the micro learning becomes awesome. using the power of micro-learning. So there are a lot of people who come and ask me that why micro-learning? Why do you need to do micro-learning? What is micro-learning? So I'm sitting here, I want to operate this device right now. I don't know how to operate this device. So to operate this device, I cannot wait for you or the organization to come up with a learning plan. I cannot wait for the organization to come up with a plan or a classroom session for me. I need help now. What do? I go to ZingLearn, I just search for that particular course, and that course is there in front of my eyes. I don't want to wait for an instructor to come to me and tell me that this is when your classroom sessions are going to be. The entire compliance processes for the organizations, ranging from mandatory orientation to inductions to compliance to POSH trainings, everything can be configured, tracked on a real-time basis. So using this tool, you can even track compliance. And with evaluation tools which are linked to Kirkpatrick and which are linked to Philips, we can also generate the ROI on basis of facilitator evaluation, on basis of venue evaluation, on basis of personal evaluation, on basis of quiz evaluations. So we can, and that all the entire model is also configurable. So you can configure who is going to evaluate at what level, and we can craft the ROI needs for your organization on basis of evaluations done via the system. On top of it, we support content in all major languages. So we have support for 24 languages, more languages coming up. So the entire training content can be delivered and facilitated in various languages. So let's talk about 3 aspects of ZingLearn platform. Let's talk of ease of use, let's talk of configuration, and let's talk of blended learning. So Zing platform is very easy to use. It's mobile first with rich intuitive interfaces. The learning journey is flawless. So the employee can just go, log into their mobile, access all the learning content from there. To add to it, we also support social learning. Social elements in learning is a process where the manager and the trainer and the employees are interacting on a same forum, on a same chat forum. So I've got rich administrative controls that can be used to configure the instance via the administrative tool. We have a common system for all your needs. So we have created our system in such a way that let your needs come from anywhere. Let your needs come from PMS, let the needs come from the strategy, let the needs come from the department, let the needs come from the self-enrollment of the participants or the employees who are there in the organization. We cover it all under one single platform. And that is ZingLearn, one single unified LMS to suit your training needs. Do you wish to change learning culture of your organization? We can help you do that. Please get in touch with us at hello@zinghr.com and we'll help you do the change process.